My secret to staying on track? It's all on my wrist. From the first mile to the final rep, it keeps me moving.
The video you just watched is actually a UGC ad, and you probably think it was shot using a camera, actors, and a full production team. But what if I told you this entire ad was created using just one AI tool? Yeah, no camera, no actors. And that tool is Topview AI. You'll find the link in the description. Topview AI is an all-in-one platform where you get access to multiple image and video generation models in one place. And the best part? It comes with an AI agent that can create complete videos for you, even if you have zero experience. Let me show you how it works. Since we're creating a UGC-style ad, I'll go to the agent section. Here I'll type, create a UGC ad for a watch. Now select the model, Seedance 2.0. Choose your aspect ratio. I'll go with 16:9. And for duration, Topview allows videos up to 300 seconds, but I'll keep it short, around 15 seconds. Now hit generate. Topview will now create scene ideas, generate prompts, and prepare the full structure. You can edit everything if you want, but I'll proceed with the default setup. Now I'll click generate video. And here's where it gets interesting. Topview will automatically create scenes, generate images, convert them into video, and within a few minutes, your ad is ready. Take a look.
I finally found the perfect daily driver. It's sleek, durable, and goes with literally everything. Honestly, the quality for this price is insane.
It looks clean, professional, and ready to use. Just like a real ad, you can export it directly from here. Apart from this, Topview AI also offers image generation, text or reference-based, face swap features, AI avatars, multiple advanced video models, so you can create almost any type of content from a single platform. If you want to try it, you'll find the link in the description and pinned comment, and that's how you can create UGC ads using AI. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe to Reavron for more AI tutorials.